This is YFM-T-100YNCA, the auto nylon double polarizing gapping with a teeth welding by computer control for number 3 nylon zipper. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, please make sure the air pressure is around 5 kilo. Once the air pressure is okay, and please switch on the machine's main power. And please switch on the machine's panel's power. Okay? And please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. The right hand side is the bottom stop side, left hand side is the top stop side. Okay? And this is the zipper. The right hand side is the bottom stop side, left hand side is the top stop side. You need to make sure the direction. And then please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. And please open the mold cover and put zipper into the mold and push back the mold cover and put the zipper into the transmission wheel. And please put the zipper into the encoder wheel. And please put the zipper into the transmission motor. And fixing ball. Okay. And please remember to make the wheel goes back to touch the motor. Okay. And once everything is okay, and please touch the screen, and you can see the screen has a 3 function: 1 gapping, teeth welding, gapping and teeth welding. Okay, and at the beginning we need to make only gapping, and you can choose you want the centimeter or inch, the unit, and then we set up the centimeter. We test for 20 centimeter. Okay, and then we need to make some gapping and make connection with the transmission wheel. So first of all, we make some gapping. So we make a one-time punch, 1 cycle, 1 cycle, and 1 cycle, and we check the length is 20 centimeter or not. Now it's 20 centimeter, so it's okay. So now it's okay, and normally we will make around 10 pieces of the zipper, so you can press the start to make around 10 pieces. And you can press the stop. And now we need to make a connection with the teeth welding. Okay? So please insert the zipper into the guiding ball. This is gap. Okay? This gapping space. You must make the gapping space is stopping in the middle, center of the mold. Okay? Must be in the middle. And then you need to choose the teeth welding. Press the manual, teeth welding manual, and you need to press position. Okay, you press the position, it will go down, and the zipper pressing, second zipper pressing. Okay, and the stick will go down, and top mold, and welding, okay, and release all these buttons, and you can check the result. Now welding is okay, gapping is okay, everything is okay, and then you can put the zipper into the transmission wheel. Okay, and then please make the zipper get through the wheel. Like this. And normally we need to make the wheel in the middle. Okay, so you need to go press the one cycle. So it goes up, one cycle, and we're in the middle. Okay, and then go back to the main screen, and you can choose the gapping and the teeth welding, and you can set up how many quantity you want to produce. For example, want to produce 100 pieces. Okay, and then you can press the start. The machine will be auto running. Okay, we finished the order, and please press the reset button to finish the order. And there is a setting, and the length of the teeth welding motor reverse is normally when the motor goes the position, and it will return a little bit. Okay, and return time we set up the 0.04. And for the gapping cutter length, this gapping cutter we set up the 38.9. This is a butter knife length. Okay, so this is this machine's data. If you want to change this data, you need to use the data setting inside. And the teeth welding pulling tape delay time we set up the 0.06. Okay, and teeth welding delay time we set up 0.8. The teeth welding cooling delay time we set up the 3.0. The top mode delay push the down setting we set up the 3.0. Okay, and this is the special function. Sometimes you need to use only gapping, or you want to use only teeth welding, and you want this wheel is running. You must choose the outside function, for example gapping and setting, and you can switch on. So it means only gapping and motors running without the teeth welding. Okay, we test for few pieces for your reference, so you can see now only gapping and wheel is running. Okay, the gapping and the wheel is running, so there is no teeth welding. This is a special function. Okay, and then for the password, YFM-T-100YNCA enter. You can see there is a data setting. The low level password is 6686, the high level password is 8008, and gapping motor. Gapping motor, transmission motor, high speed is 20,000, the slow speed is 800. Okay, and the bottom stop, the motor speed. The bottom stop, the motor speed is 20,000. The slow speed is 10,000. Okay, the punching speed is 21,000. We set up the low level. The low level, the slow speed is 35 millimeter. Gapping cutter length, 38.9. This is a downward cutter. The standard one is 39.2. Okay, this is a special knife. We make a knife smaller because the polarizing is better. So if you want to change the data, you need to change the data here for the button knife. Okay, and the per wave of encoder 2000. This is always this setting, never change. Edit pulse for every parameter. The tape has a tension, so normally we test around 1 meter or 60 centimeter, and we will check the length is always goes longer or shorter. If it's always go longer, we will decrease the data from here. It means turn one round, we decrease the 18 pulse to make the exactly length. Okay, so we normally, this is for the level setting, so you can adjust this if you want to make a proper length. The zipper thickness normally we set up 0, and this one set up 1 and 1, and air blowing time. Now move to outside. There are two timers. The left side timer is controlling the mode, air blowing. The right side is controlling the extra cleaning. Okay, this is the extra cleaning device. And the sonic, there is a sonic for this machine. The sonic of this machine, the frequency normally is 14.7 to 14.9 between. If you change the horn, you have to always make the frequency scan to check the frequency. Okay, and then if you want to test sonic, you can press this sonic test. There's the power, there's the currency, and this is the amplitude. Amplitude is output. If you want to increase the output, you can increase or decrease from here. You just press set. Okay, if you want to adjust the welding time, this is maximum welding time, you can just set up from here. But this one normally no need to change because you can set up from the screen. Okay, this is the screen. So above method is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish machinery testing.